Hey there, welcome back to our channel Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to log into USPS.com. It's a very quick and simple step. All you gotta do is follow along and you'll be logged in no time. First thing first, open up your preferred web browser. I prefer Google Chrome, so let's tap there. And at the very top, you can see the search bar. Let's tap there and let's type in USPS.com login, since we're going to log in, and hit enter. Now here, make sure you tap into the official site, which is this one right here, and you'll be greeted with the login page. Now all you have to do is fill in those empty fields. Let's tap in our username. I'm tapping like random where it's right here. You make sure you tap you type your actual username. Just type in our password. If you have forgotten your username or even your password, you don't need to worry at all. At the very below, like at the bottom, you can see option that's I forgot your username, forgot your password. You can simply tap in those options. And since we have typed in our information, all we gotta do now is hit that sign in button and you'll be signed in or logged into your USPS account. That's it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries regarding this video, please do not hesitate to comment in the comment section down below. We'll be more than happy to help you with that. And that's it. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel Tech Basics. And we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.